Here's how to check to see when you started playing Clash Royale. You can see right here, you just want to log on to your account and then click on the sky icon, like your profile icon right here at the top. And you can see your player tag just like so, but we're going to need this later. So you just want to leave this tab and go over to Safari or Google. And once you're here, you basically want to type in Royale API just like so. And you can go to this website. It's by Clash Royale right here. And you can basically just enter in your player tag. You can see right here, I'm going to go back to the game. Mine is RLUCAQL. Then you just want to click on enter and you can see all of the player tags that have similar names to you, and you basically want to close the ad if you get one, and you can view all of the different badges, all of the towers collections, just every single thing you have on this account, including when you started your account. You can see right here, if I just scroll down to the bottom of this panel, you can actually see there's a bunch of different stats, just how many matches you've won, etc., your levels, the cards you use most, and you can see your account age right here. Mine is 9 years, 26 weeks, 3 days. You can see right here, if I just Google this 9 years, 3 weeks, 26 days ago, just like so, it'll just spew out like exactly what day this was. You can see right here, it was actually September 3rd, 2016. That was the day I started my account. And yeah, that's all you need to do. There's a lot of other stuff you can do on this website too. But if you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing down below.